Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Subaru Outback key fob. This easy method allows you to set up your remote yourself. First, locate your key fob's 8-digit programming code, usually found inside the fob itself. Make sure all your vehicle doors are closed and the engine is completely off. Position yourself comfortably in the driver's seat, ready to begin the process. Now, let's get your vehicle into programming mode. Open the driver's door, then use the door button to unlock all the vehicle's doors. Close the driver's door firmly. Insert your key into the ignition, then quickly turn it from the off position to the on position 10 times in rapid succession. You should hear a chime and see your dome lights flash, confirming you've entered programming mode. With your vehicle in programming mode, it's time to input your key fob's unique code. Find the lock and unlock buttons on your driver's side door panel. For the first digit of your 8-digit code, press the lock button that many times. Immediately after, press the unlock button once. Repeat this exact sequence for each of the remaining 7 digits of your code. Work quickly and accurately. You're almost done. After entering all 8 digits of your code, open and then close the driver's door one more time. Now, press any button on your key fob to confirm the programming. Finally, remove the key from the ignition to exit the programming mode. Wait about 5 seconds, then test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure it's working perfectly. Congratulations on programming your key fob.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.